Hi guys, in this video we're gonna transform Fedora workstation into macOS. So we're gonna install macOS themes and also we're gonna install Dock panel and configure them. Basically that's what we're gonna do. Now I am on a fresh Fedora install. So first let's open the terminal and update the system. Now after we updated the system, I will open text editor and let's clone my repository. In this repository I automated the script that's gonna install the themes and Dock panel, so the credit to the developer who made the project. So I didn't build this project myself, I just I used his main repositories into my script just for automation, and you can go to readme file and you're gonna find all the details. So let's copy this repository and let's open the terminal, git clone. I'm gonna paste the repo. Now the repo is cloned on my home folder, so let's change the directory to Fedora-macOS-NEXAGEEK and let's list the files. So here I have two scripts. I have nexageek-mac-OS-Dock and also I have nexageek-mac-themes. So I'm gonna start with the themes. Now let's run the script. So it says permission denied, so I'm just gonna change the mode to make them executable. chmod +x, and now let's run the script again. Let's click enter. So it will start installing some packages. Let's wait for a while. And also it's cloning the repo. Now it's executing the repo. The script might take a while, and that's fine. Now it's installing the icons. Now let's run another script, which is gonna be macOS-Dock. Let's press enter again. Now let's log out from while session and let's log in again. The command to do that, it's right here, or you can just log out from here. Log out. And now let's log in. Now let's rerun the script again, the Dock panel script. You must rerun the script if you want the Dock panel to look like macOS. Otherwise, it's just gonna remain the same. So let's run the script. Let's change the directory to Fedora, macOS-NEXAGEEK, and let's run it. Let's click enter again. Let's enter the password. And now we can see that the Dock panel, it's appeared right here. The next step, we're gonna download macOS wallpapers. So let's open the text editor. Thanks to the developer, he already have wallpaper repo. So I'm just gonna copy this repo and let's clone it. Let's open the terminal. Let's clean the screen. Git clone. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Now let's list the files. So let's change it to WhiteSur wallpapers, and let's list the file again. Here we see we have two scripts: install GNOME backgrounds, and also we have install wallpapers. Let's run them both. Let's start with the one that has GNOME. And let's clear the screen. And now let's install another one. Now we're done. And now let's change the wallpaper. Here we have a multiple wallpapers. That's fine, that just needs a restart so the wallpapers can appear in here. They appeared, so can change between those wallpapers. I like this one, so I'm just gonna keep it. And only we still have one problem, I think. If we try to open, for example, Brave or Firefox, we're gonna notice that Brave doesn't follow this system. So to fix this problem, we're just gonna open the text editor and go to Brave settings directly. So let's paste it here. And from here, let's use GTK. Now looks much better. And also Firefox, let's fix it. Let's open Firefox first. Firefox has the same problem, doesn't follow the system, GTK, so let's fix this problem. Developer here already wrote the script for that, so let's copy it. And let's open the terminal. Let's clean the screen. And now let's change the directory to the repo. Let's list the file. Let's run the script install.sh. Now let's open Firefox again. One thing, let's go to the settings. Let's go to the tweaks. And from here you can change those icons or whatever they call them in English. Sorry for that. So I'm just gonna put them to the right because I use 2 dot. And let's close tweaks and let's go to the extensions. From here let's activate it, the place, and also the apps menu. So basically that was everything. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.